Right on, bro. Ice up in that piece, guys. Yo. Okay. Fuck that shit. What the fuck? Deal doesn't even work, huh?
What?
Shit doesn't work.
Is it plugged in?
I
Huh?
think so. So you're gonna go like this. What the fuck, God? Did you get the whole fuck? Fuck, man. Yo, this piece just fucking exploded. Let's fucking get Jimmy to clean it up. We're gonna have another one after, eh? Probably.
Yeah.
Let me test it. And that's how you make. Look. That's how you make a fucking smoothie. Yo, we need to put another one of these in, man. We didn't put another. And we need more ice and shit. Yo, it tastes like soy though. Look at soy.